Hi everybody, it's WaifuGame once again giving you guys another tutorial for the WaifuGame Bot on Discord. If that is the first time here, I do tutorials on Discord bots like this one. I also do VR chat every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And we do gaming streams as well. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you guys are interested in all three of those. Today we're going to talk about the WaifuGame Bot in the trader system. And this is required for the tutorial today. We are going to go on waifugame.com, and you do need to sign in with your Discord profile in order to access this. So the idea of the trader is basically like a shop for your characters. The way you get the currency are the following. Gamer Gold is presented to you by going back to Discord. If we go to our Discord here, going to show you the tutorial one. All you have to do is press slash WG and then daily. Okay, now press enter and then press enter again. Now keep in mind that if you've already done it already, you will need to wait another 12 to 13 hours in order to get it again for the daily streak reward. The rewards you can get are Essence and Gamer Gold, which is going to be what we could talk about today. So let's go back to the the web application, and we're gonna go into the menu, and we're gonna go into Trader, but it's this one right here with the shop icon. So the Trader allows us to buy items with Gamer Gold and Emerald. So it the Trader does have stock, but it's limited. And you can use Gamer Gold in order to buy items. For example, you can buy steak for your characters, and they happen to have a discount today. So I'm gonna buy one steak for my character here, just to show you that I can buy those. And the maximum item is gifted one tier 1 sub, and that will be for 250,000 gamer gold. Okay, now the next thing we need to look at is emeralds. Now, what are emeralds? Emeralds are the premium currency here in WaifuGame Bot, and basically you go to the emerald trader. Now, keep in mind you are required to spend a little bit of money to get your emeralds. Okay, keep that in mind. But the good news about emerald trader is that you get it's an unlimited stock. It's basically like the same items, but it's more of a chance to get them rather than hoping to get them. You may have also noticed that there are different types of items that you can buy with your emeralds, and that includes the trader, the original one, and the exclusive items. For example, the gifted tier 3 sub for 100,000 emeralds. Now, how does this work? To buy emeralds, you need to press this Get Emeralds button, and you may have noticed that not only are you going to support the bot, you're also going to get your emeralds. For example, if you buy 239,250 emeralds for $50, you can support the bot for $50. Or if you're interested, you can set your own custom amount right here, all the way up to 5,025,000 emeralds for $1,000 US dollar. Okay, the minimum is 301,500 emeralds, and that will be equivalent to $60 USD. Keep in mind you are required to have a credit card in order to play with this if you wish to buy emeralds. Or Or for 200k, for 200,000 emeralds, you can do a tier 1 sub. Or it's like a subscription service here for 200,000 emeralds. For 1 million emeralds, you can do a tier 3 sub and so on. So it's a bundle price. So what is this for though? This is for like special items and cool stuff. Okay? Now keep in mind, unlike a Patreon service, this is not like a Patreon service where your subscription will automatically renew. You actually need to redo the 200,000 emeralds in order if you to subscribe again. It's not like Patreon where it's automatically renew. This one will not. So keep that in mind if you're trying to do the subscription service of emeralds. We also have something called channel items. The way this works is based on the channel you're going to put for your WaifuGame Bot instance. You can do an additional channel for like another drop channel. But that's going to require 380,000 emeralds, which is equivalent to at least $60 or $125 for this one, for that example. You can also do more drops, for example, here. Or you can even do more luck-based wish list drops, if you will. But again, you're gonna have to spend a lot of money if you want to do that. If you want the maximum 1.2 million emeralds, for example, you can do up to the luck value is level 10, which at 100 plus players is 50%, for example. Or for players 1 to 9, your luck value goes up to 15%. Now keep in mind that I actually have two particular channels I use this on because of the tutorial. We have the one from my regular Discord area for all my bot tutorials, and the one for the tutorial itself. So you choose the server you want, and then you buy for 1.2 million emerald. Okay, so that's how that works. In terms of other ways to get other stuff, that's basically it. It's either the gamer gold, which is for free, if you use /WG daily every day, or you can trade with the players, and you can set up a player trade here in under Waifu Universe, and we'll talk about player trades in another tutorial. Our next tutorial is going to be about the hotel, the Waifu Hotel. That's next time. And so if you guys are interested, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and enable your notifications. And if you guys are interested in supporting the channel financially, check out the Patreon below. We will be giving out early access material, maybe even for tutorials like this. You never know. So we'll see what we're gonna have with that. But for now, that is it for now. We'll see you guys in our next waifu game tutorial about the Waifu Hotel.